you go. It's all yours.
Hello, hello all. Happy Monday, everyone. Can you hear me? Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start a fresh week with the fresh analysis. So currently I'm on ES chart, and man, this chop is on it's terrible. So it's good that we are getting a higher low at the moment, but it's really grinding up. It's not moving aggressive. So I still see the weakness. And on Friday, we said that 6900 is the major liquidated zone, and we had a rejection from there. So if we see on the daily time frame, uh, so this is the highest point from where the seller took over and took the market all the way till 6599. So this is quite important inflection point, 6900, which is also a round number. And let's switch to the 1 hour time frame. If you see my Friday analysis, I was saying that we are moving in this channel, and this channel is so far holding. So let me draw that channel again. So it's respecting the channel. It's making a support here at the channel. And if you see the uh, channel high, it's also respecting on a 1 hour. So we are keep getting a rejection. So at the moment, if we see today's price action or the from the overnight price action, we are still in the middle of the previous day high and low. So this is the low point and this is the high point. So don't touch this unless we go above 6900 or the previous day low, which is 6860. So my game plan is if we get below the previous day low, then we have we have a trend line breakdown also, and the previous day low is also uh, good area which act as a support and resistance. Any rejection below this, my thought process is that we will take all these weak lows. So could be in case we will likely to get one more bounce at the previous day low in case we decide to go down. And then on a break of previous day low, I'm expecting a market to go to 6800, because on a higher time frame this is a major area. And in case we break out above the previous week high, I think we are likely heading towards the all-time high. So if we see towards the left-hand side, so any acceptance above this level, which is 6900, then we don't have much level. So which is directly 69550 is the all-time high level, and maybe on a break of all-time high, we can go much higher. So uh, game plan is simple. Below previous day low, I would like to short, or above the previous day high. I would like to see hold above this previous day high for the confirmation entry towards the upside. So that's the plan for the years for me. Am I right to say upward channel is bearish? No, at the moment, the price is showing that buyers are stepping in. So at the moment, it's not bearish, but the aggressiveness is not there for the push towards the high. And yeah, I mean, it's moving upward, but it's not aggressive at the moment. So when you consider it as a week, if we break this sequence, so we stop going a higher low and start making a lower high. At that time, we see the weakness, and then you can short it. So this is not a short zone in as per me. So I would like to see the weakness below the previous day low, and then I would like to short it. So let's go towards the NQ chart. So similar situation for the NQ. So this is the major zone. So from here the seller stepped in for last time, and we rejected on Friday this area, and we are slowly grinding towards the upside on the daily time frame. Uh, and on a 1 hour time frame, if you see, um, so this was the flip of support resistance, uh, good support resistance, and then we had a flip of this one, not good price action, but still one time it made a fake out towards downside, but it's acting as a support at the moment. So mm, yeah, similar to ES, I don't want to short here. It's making a higher low sequence at the moment, and for the short opportunity, I would like to see loose of previous day low at least, or a Friday low, uh, in order to plan for a bearish or the short setup. And if you see for the long opportunity, this is a rejection zone. So I would like to see how the price is reacting about 25,870 uh, for the upward movement till this. In case we get acceptance above 25,870, I think price is likely go towards the 26,150. So let's see about the previous week high or previous day high, how the price is react. If we are holding, then this is the target 26,150. In case we go below previous day low, then I would like to see the short setup. So that's the plan, similar to NQ. Sorry, similar to ES. In morning, I was looking at pre-market gap up. I found the EVGO, which is moving quite aggressive towards the upside. Let's review the EVGO. If you see, uh, so this is the consolidation. This is the high, all-time high, which is 403. And in the pre-market, we are moving quite aggressive. We are even breaking the all-time high now. So we are above the 403. Is there any news for the EVGO? I don't know, but it's moving quite aggressive towards the upside. So any returns of the all-time high level 403, I think it can move further upside. So keep an eye on EVGO. It's breaking all-time high level, and yeah, for short setup, I don't have is um, quite strong at the moment. So I don't want to short strong stock. So that's the plan. Let me set alert here 403. In case we do retest and see the bullish pattern, then I will go for the long for the AVGO. Let's review the Apple. It's making a significant retracement on a higher time frame after this impulsive rally. So from 264, we went all the way till 218, and then yeah, we made a retracement. This is a retracement leg, And uh, if you see on the daily time frame, uh, this was the consolidation zone, and we had a breakout here, which is around 277 and 276. This is the zone. So any bullish reaction at here, I would like to see some bounce on a daily time frame all the way till 282 or 284. But from the daily day trade perspective, I would like to play the bounce at 276 and to 277 on a daily time frame. It looks good. So this is the major support zone. Let's see how it goes at the market open. In case we break below 276, then I'm not no more interested in the long opportunity for the Apple. Any questions? No questions. Okay. Mm, yeah, I'm also looking at the Oracle. Uh, I think we reviewed this ticker on Friday also. We were saying that Oracle is making a up movement after this daily support on a higher time frame. This is a major daily support 194, and also this was the good support 214. And on Friday we made a retest of this 214, and we are moving higher. uh, yeah, on the pre-market also we are going up at the moment. This is the weekly resistance. Let's see. So on a weekly time frame, if you see, this is the lowest point. I mean, this was the consolidation. After that, from this low point, we made a all-time high, and this was the breakdown. We could have made a retest. So this is an important zone in my opinion. 219 and 222. Any rejection at the weekly level can potentially rotate towards the downside. So let's go to the lower time frame. So if you see, this is all bullish activity on lower time frame at the moment. But in case we go below this Friday high or the this pre-market low, which is 219.72, then then it it signifies that weekly resistance which we were talking about is respecting, and then price can rotate towards the 214. So any price below 219, I would like to short, and anything above the this weekly resistance level. And then if you look towards the left hand side, uh, we don't have any much support resistance build in this region. So this is a quick sell off toward downside. So in case we get acceptance above this weekly level, I'm uh, I hope that price will quickly move towards the 233 zone, because we don't have any support and resistance build between these price zones. So keep an eye on Oracle. Interesting price action is built for Oracle. Let me set alert about 212 in case we go. Yeah, uh, I'm looking at the Meta also. Uh, yeah, we reviewed this ticker on Friday. So this was the news catalyst. After that, this was the rejection. This is the daily level. If we see this was the support previously. It became a resistance, and then that's where the we got a rejection. This was the level, and then on Friday we were consolidating here. So this is the consolidation zone, and what I said that any break above 668 could potentially lead to the 683. So we left this resistance zone, and we are forming a new support resistance between 668 and 673. So below 668, I think price can rotate towards 660, and in case we go above 673, then the next target is 683 for Meta. So simple price action is respecting the level good. It's flipping the uh, high into support, and this high into resistances. So can be good play for the both short and the long side. Let's review Tesla. So Tesla on a daily time frame from 384, it's it's made almost every candle green apart from this one, and on in a pre-market, I think we are already below Friday low. This was the Friday low, and price is at 448. So could be that the retracement of this leg is happening now. So if we at the open, if we go here and reject, which is a Friday low, could be interesting, which is also good psychological number, 450. And in case we reclaim back, then we are likely go towards the pre-market high again, 458. But in case we get a rejection, then for this entire leg up, it's likely that we are starting a retracement and can move towards the this support zone. So this is the short term support zone. The another short term support zone is this one, 445. So any rejection at 450, you can target 455 and 436. So anything above 451, I would like to go long for the 458 target. Another ticker is MU, which is trending up. So this is MU chart on a 4-hour time frame. If you see, this was the resistance zone. So here price has made all the way till 196. This is, I mean, not exactly the point where the resistance happened. This is where the resistance happened, but after this bearish price action, we are above this all this bearish pattern. So above 236, I think it's safe to say that we are in bullish territory at the moment. And if I mark out this resistance zone, this is the resistance. From here, we made a retracement till 224. So anything above 244, prices are likely to go towards the 253, because if we look towards the left hand side, we don't have any support resistance build, so we are likely to go towards the upside. in case we break the Friday high. This is a resistance zone. You can short because if you see this is a bearish price action. Prices are rejecting at this level. This is where the seller present previously. So could be that we will make a retracement at the resistance. So any price action above Friday high, I would like to go for the long, and then in case we reject and break this low, this is the 242 low, this low, then I would like to see a downside movement. So for the short term, below 242, we are likely heading towards the 240.5, and above 245, I think prices can quickly move towards the 250 and 254 level. So from semiconductor sector, EVGO and EMU is trending. Uh, Apple is Apple approaching the major inflection point. Tesla started to make a retracement. So yeah, that is what I'm watching at the moment. If you have any ticker you want me to share, let me know.
All right, good stuff, Sujit. Thanks.
Yeah.
Anyone got anything? Any questions, comments, concerns? Anyone know how to fix a choppy market? That would be the most useful thing.
Let me add something, if you don't mind, Avi. This week is very important. It's very important in terms of data. We're getting on Tuesday Dolt's job opening, and of course, everyone's waiting for Wednesday, December 10th, because this is the FOMC statement and the rate cuts. Thursday, again, we're seeing unemployment claims. So for this week, expect choppiness until Wednesday, because everyone, the big players, they're repositioning based on their forecasts. I would expect the market to be in a range bound, and this is what we have been seeing all morning. So I think it's a good idea to sit on our hands, or if anyone know how to range trade, like short the top, buy the bottoms with reversals, which is very risky because again the risk to reward is not really good. So if someone's having a profit rate higher than 65%, can do that for a 1-to-1 or a 1.5-to-1 risk to reward. But other than this, for myself, I would just like maybe go chill out, as you were mentioning earlier, enjoy the Christmas.
Yeah, very good. Thanks, Tarek. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. We've seen plenty of that in the last 1 week, and it's expected to continue, and we know why. We have all the news. Thanks, Tarek. Yeah. I think I might go wait by the Christmas tree, just wait for Santa. Better use of my time than watching this stuff, you know? Cool. All right. Thanks.
And this period is very odd again, Avi, because this time of the year it's normally the Santa run. Everyone's looking for Santa run, and have been, if people seasonality, depending on seasonality, this season it should be going on at least till 15th of December, 20th of December. We should be seeing everything's running up. But this year it's completely different. And the seasonality is not only about this Santa run that's different. Also, since summer, we've been seeing a month that is supposed to be seasonality based on seasonality data. They should be weak. They showed strength, and other ones like now we should see strength, but it's not coming. So just don't force anything based on seasonality or based on anything. Just focus on the chart. I think so.
Yeah, thanks, Tarek. Yeah, good advice, man. Very good advice. Price action is king in the end, regardless of what previous seasons have done. Look at your charts. I suspect Santa's taken this Christmas off. He deserves a break. No gifts for anyone. Cool. Thanks, guys. Good stuff.
This is a seasonality